To mark the 50th anniversary of India's victory over Pakistan in the 1971 war, Indian Army organized a mega event in Jaipur, Rajasthan. From Daredevil motorcycle stunts to gravity-defying acrobatic, Indian Army showcased their skills and style. Indian Army also conducted an air show to enthral visitors. The Army organized a mega event on Sunday to celebrate Swarnim Vijay Varsh to mark the 50th anniversary of India's victory over Pakistan and liberation of Bangladesh in the 1971 war. On September 21st, the seminar will be conducted on the theme Bangladesh and Northeast India into the rising sun in Guwahati and will see participation from distinguished speakers from India and Bangladesh. Wasbir Hussain, Editor-in-Chief, Nani Live and Professor Nani Gopal Mahanta, Academic Advisor to the Assam's Education Department, will chair the sessions. The on-day seminar will be conducted under the aegis of the Indian Army's Eastern Command and will telecast live on YouTube. News Desk Kaumudy Global.